and welcome to Ask the Experts. I'm Rachel Landry, and today I'll be answering the question, what is Global Mapper Pro? Global Mapper Pro is a comprehensive GIS application that includes many advanced GIS features. The software is designed to meet the needs of all users, from novice to expert. Adding to the toolset available in Global Mapper Standard, the Pro Edition incorporates new and existing point cloud processing and workflow optimization functionality, including point cloud creation from drone-collected images, segmentation by spectral graph partitioning, a user interface script editor, and support for Python scripting. Global Mapper Pro is not a standalone software. Users must have a current license of Global Mapper to access the advanced features in Pro. If a user only has a Pro license, they will be unable to access the software. If you're interested in utilizing Global Mapper Pro in your work, the program can be purchased on our website. If you're a new user of Global Mapper, simply select Purchase Global Mapper Pro on the purchase page. Please note that you will see two line items in your cart, as the purchase of Global Mapper Pro will also include Global Mapper Standard along with the extra toolset included in the Pro Edition. After selecting all the software you need, follow the checkout prompts to complete the purchase. Once the purchase is complete, you will receive your licensing information via email. If you already have a current license of Global Mapper in maintenance and support, Global Mapper Pro can be purchased and added to your existing license. However, if you're unsure of your maintenance and support status, or you know that you're out of maintenance and support, please contact orders@bloomrebelgeo.com, as they can best assist you. To learn more about Global Mapper Pro, visit bloomrebelgeo.com, and if you have questions, please don't hesitate to contact our sales team. They are more than happy to help. For a free trial of Global Mapper and Global Mapper Pro, please visit bloomrebelgeo.com today. And thank you as always for joining us for Ask the Experts, and we hope to see you next time.